Hey, I'm Jenny Williams with Extra Living at eXp Realty. You know, we don't just do a typical open house. When we're marketing property, we try to find the soul of the house that will speak to other people, and we build a strategy around it. Today, we are doing a celebrity chef open house so that we can really showcase the 9-foot quartz work island in the kitchen and all of the commercial appliance upgrades.
Hey, it's Brandon Cain from Roots Revelry coming to you live down in Vestavia doing a open house. So today we're doing a little bit of crostini, beautiful goat cheese, a little bit of fresh herbs in there, took some golden beets, sous vide them with a little bit of mint, dressed it with olive oil, capers, and a little dill, topped it off with a little fresh sea salt for you.
We specialize in selling houses the first time because selling your home can be awfully nerve-wracking and frustrating. We want to remove as much frustration as we can. That's why we give you a strategy that will work for you the first time on the market. For your free strategy session, just reach out to us through Facebook, email, or text 205-223-1044. We can't wait to connect with you.